Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt here on YouTube from Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Got a beauty here today. This is a workhorse. It's a 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, ultra cab, a 78-inch stand-up ultra sleeper. It's a heavy haul, just in plain all white. We have this one is sold, but we have several of these available. So we have plenty of these. I'll kind of start at the nose here. She sits up pretty tall. Got the toe pin in case you get off-road and you need to be pulled out. Ties right into the frame. It's a 20,000-pound steer axle. Got the 425 65R 22.5 tires. Alcoa rims. Extended hood. I'm kind of weird. I like white. Just stays looking nice all the time. These are in our national pool. So we've got air horns on the top, 5 clearance lights, and the beacon lights, flashers. This particular one is sold, but I can get plenty more. We have these in stock. 302-inch wheelbase, 605 Cummins 2050 torque. Master disconnect there. Polished def tank cover. We got a split tank here. So the front of the tank over here holds fuel. You can see the fuel fill there. Then this tank is a hydraulic tank. Obviously a heavy haul. They're running a lot of different things off the back. So it's got all the connections there and everything's ready to go. So this tank here will need nothing but hydraulic fluid. Got a post there for fenders. This is a liftable, non-steerable pusher axle. It's a pusher because it's in front of your drives. I go over that. Guys calling them tag axles and things like that, which we all kind of understand what everyone means. But technically, this is a pusher axle. A non-driving axle in front of the drivers is a pusher. It's air up, air down. It's down right now. 23,000-pound capacity. And then this would be your axle grouping right here for bridge laws. 46,000-pound rears. They're all Bridgestone M799 tires, 11R 24.5s. The pusher axle, it's also an 11R 24.5. A lot of times I do a smaller tire on that just to get the ground clearance up. Full double frame all the way on this thing. We do an outboard mounted fifth wheel, makes it easy to move. Peterbilt air track suspension. Disc brakes all the way around. And full lockers. LED rear lights. I apologize for the road noise. We've got it parked up front. It's a good looking truck. Just a workhorse. Got a 110 on this side. Got room there. You can put in an APU, some other things. Take a look underneath the hood. .605 Cummins, 2050 torque. 20,000-pound leaf springs. Disc brakes up here. The Cummins X15 has been doing very, very well. There's the blowdown, so you can't shut the hood unless you flip that forward. Davco fuel filter. The remote lube. The heavy-duty steering gear. Yeah, it's, I believe the gears on this one are, the rear gears are 391s. Plenty of low end to do what you need to do. But long enough legs to get you home. And I was going to see, so this truck as it sits is 23,778 pounds with everything. Did the very nice, real nice interior. Black leather seats, 18 speed, tilt telescope steering. Doesn't have the rosewood dash. But here's what you got for your sliding fifth wheel. You got a spare switch up there too. Pusher up and down. Then you got the inner axle diff lock on the right there. And then you got the forward and rear axle diff locks. And then you got a PTO switch and the Peterbilt air track suspension. Up and down. No navigation in this one. You put in your own CB. You got a cup holder here. Even one for a super tanker. Fold away armrests. Single bunk. And heat and cool back here. Cigarette lighter. Get your alarm clock. No business center in this one, just a closet over here. Place for a TV. Closet over here. And a fridge. The fridge is up there. So just thought I'd go over that with you. We've got very good pricing on these if you need heavy hauls. And we usually have them readily available. Not hard to get at all. So give me a shout. It's Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Just a workhorse. This isn't a big bling truck, not a real fancy truck. It's just made to work and get things done. Customer wanted to put on his own lights, do his own thing on that, so we just kind of left it alone. True dual exhaust. I do get questions all the time. Does that have the single exhaust? No, it's true dual exhaust. Get the big air breathers. Just a workhorse. And we have plenty of these available. So you can give me a call, 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, that's COUCHK, at rushenterprises.com. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. Thank you, as always. Throw in where you're from. It's always interesting to see. I mean, these videos go all the way around the world, so I do appreciate that. Take care. Stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you.